Are you running a shop, office, coaching center, or any business? Want customers to connect with you instantly on WhatsApp? We have the perfect solution. Introducing the WhatsApp QR code generator by GK Digital India. A simple, free, and powerful tool to grow your business. With just a few clicks, you can create a WhatsApp QR code that allows customers to message you instantly. No need to save your number. Step 1. Visit our website GK Digital India and go to the WhatsApp QR code generator tool page. The link is given in the description of this video. Step 2. Enter your WhatsApp number. Step 3. Click on Generate QR code. And that's it. Your WhatsApp QR code is ready. Step 4. Download it and use it anywhere. Print it on shop boards, banners, shine boards, visiting cards, menus. Paste it on coaching center desks, school notices, office reception. Add it to social media, website, invoices, and packaging. Wherever your customers see it, they can scan it and connect with you instantly. More customers. Easier and faster way for customers to reach you. No hassle of telling numbers. Customers can directly chat with you. Boost sales and queries. Get more inquiries about your services and products. Perfect for all businesses. Shops, offices, coaching centers, tuition classes, doctors, restaurants. Anyone can use it. Print it, share it, display it. The more you use it, the more customers you will get. Don't wait. Visit GK Digital India now and generate your WhatsApp QR code for free. GK Digital India, helping you grow your business in the digital world.